Okay guys, welcome back. So for this one, I've gotten rid of this question because it's hard to do for multiple choice. As for the next one, I give you options similar to test 3. You can choose what type of factoring you use. I'm going to use all 3 methods just to show you each one. We have x squared minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. If I use the x method, multiplies the negative 5, adds up to negative 4. Negative 5 and 1, it's x plus 1, x minus 5, x is equal to negative 1, or x is equal to positive 5. Okay, that would be your solutions. Now, if you do this by completing the square, then we have, this is part B, is it minus 4x is equal to 5. I just add the 5 to the other side. Then I complete the square on this. So I have negative 4 over 2 squared, which is negative 2 squared, which is equal to 4. So I have x squared plus 4, minus 4 is equal to 5. Which gives x minus 2 squared is equal to 5. X minus 2 squared equals 9. Square root both sides, we get x minus 2 is equal to plus or minus 3. If we have x minus 2 is equal to 3, we add 2. If we have x minus 2 is equal to negative 3, we have x minus 1 is equal to negative 1, and you can see the solutions here. For the last one, part C, if we use x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, we have negative 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 4 squared. 4 times a, which is 1, times negative 5, all over 2 times 1, which is 4 plus or minus 16 plus 20 all over 2, which is x is equal to 4 plus or minus the square root of 36 over 2. X is equal to 4 plus or minus 6 over 2. Which is x is equal to 10 over 2, or x is equal to negative 4 minus 6, which is negative 2 over 2, which is x is equal to 5, or x is equal to negative 1. So that problem was mainly specified so that you realize that all 3 methods do exactly the same thing. And hopefully it helps you understand that if you use completing the square, you're doing the same thing as if you're factoring, and the same thing as if you use quadratic formula in your future classes. I hope this helps, guys. Make sure you're practicing. Have a good day.